Welcome dear students. Today our topic is types of functions for class 12 students of mathematics. Here we shall discuss very important questions for the purpose of revision of relations and functions exercise 1.2. So first of all, what are the types of functions? Here we take number 1, 1 function. 1 function. Second type is, we shall discuss here in this exercise, which is very important, onto function. Onto function. These are the two types we are going to discuss here. So first of all, what is the meaning of 1 function? Here 1 function mean if we have f is a function, f is a mapping from x to y, and what we say here, if x1 comma x2 belongs to this set x, now f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is also equal to x2. So it means the function is 1 function. We also call this injective function. So let us try to understand this with one example. Suppose this is set x and this is set y. So what we do here, we take the elements of set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we take A, B, C, D, E. Suppose what are x1, x2, etc. This is x1, x2, x3, x4, etc. in set x. So this is the mapping f from x to y. So suppose 1 is mapped with C, 2 is mapped with D, D is mapped with E, and 4 is mapped with A. So here what mean, we take this f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We have two conditions. We also say if f is a mapping from x to y, x1 comma x2 belongs to set x. Now f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is also not equal to x2. So this is also one condition to prove that whether the function is 1 or not. These are the conditions to prove that the function is 1. So now this belongs to second case, that is A is not equal to B. A, what is A? A is the image of 4. F of 4 is not equal to, what is B? A is not equal to, B is not the image of any function. A is not equal to C. Now what is C? C is the image of 1. C is the image of 1. So also left side, also 4 is not equal to 1. So this condition is satisfied. So this way the function is 1 function. Now we take any one example to prove that this function is not 1. Suppose this is the arrow diagram. This is function set x and this is set y. So we take elements in set A 1, 2, 3. This we take here A, B, C. So image of A 1 is A, image of 2 is also A, image of 3 is B. So this function is not 1. This function is not 1 function. Why this is not 1 1? Because a f of a is a is equal to a. This is very much clear. Now what is a? A is the image of 1. So image of 1, a is also the image of 2. Image of 2. What this a? Image of 1, this a? Image of 2. But this is very much clear that 1 is not equal to 2. So this way, this arrow diagram shows that this function is not 1 1. So what we do here, this function can be written as f is equal to ordered pair 1 comma a, 2 comma a, 3 comma b. So this is the way how we can write in roster form the given function. So this function is not 1 1, not 1 1. Reason is explained above here why this is not 1 1. Now we shall discuss about onto functions. For onto function, what we do, for every element y which belongs to second set, this is the set x and this is the set y, and f is the mapping, f is the function from x to y. For every element in set y, that is, suppose here the elements are a, b, c, d. Okay, there exist 1x which belongs to first set x. So suppose this is 1 2 3. Okay, for every y which belongs to set y, there must exist x which belongs to x. So what we say, such that y is equal to f of x, mean to say y is the image of x. Suppose we take the element a. So a is the image, suppose a is the image of 1, suppose b is also the image of 1, c is the image of 2, and for d there exists this 3. So for a there exists 1, for b, for every y there must exist x. So for this a there exists 1, for this b there exists 1, for this c there exists 2, for this d there exists 3. So what we say, f is a mapping here. In this example, ordered pairs becomes 1 comma a, 1 comma b, 2 comma c, 3 comma d. If this is possible, then we say that f is onto function, onto or surjective. We also name this as surjective function. So no doubt this function is not 1 1, not 1 1. Why this is not 1 1? Because the image of 1 is a, the image of 1 is also b. A is not equal to b, but 1 is equal to 1. But this function is onto function. So now let us discuss about the questions. What is the question? Let a be the set 1 2 3, b be the set 4 5 6. So here we take set a 1 2 3, and b is the set having the elements 4 5 6 7, 4 5 6 7. And what is the mapping f? F is a mapping from a to b such that ordered pairs are 1 comma 4, 1 is related with 4, 2 is related with 5 and 3 is related with 6. So obviously for now this is the function from a to b, show that f is 1 1. So obviously this is 1 1 because number 1, 4 is not equal to 5, 4 is not equal to 5 implies, that is we say here, what is 4? 4 is the image of 1 is not equal to image of 3. Also left side, what about this set? 1 is also not equal to 3. So if x1 comma x2 belongs to set A, f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 implies x1 is also not equal to x2. This means f is 1 1. So this condition is satisfied. So what we say? The function is 1 1 function. Likewise about 4 5 and 6 we can say same. We about 4 and 6 we can also say same. That is, we take here second example, 4 and 6. 4 is not equal to 6. Okay, again according to this, what is 4? 4 is the image of 1 is not equal to 6. 6 is the image of 3. Sorry, here 5 was the image of 2. So this is the image of 3. So this implies 1 is not equal to 3. Okay, in third case also, taking 5 and 6, 5 is not equal to 6. That is, f of 2 is not equal to f of 3 and 2 is also not equal to 3. So in every case the condition of 1 1 function is satisfied. So we say that this function is not sorry, this function is 1 1 function. This function is 1 1 function because this condition is satisfied. Now let us discuss this question. Let f be a mapping function from n to n. N means the set of all natural numbers. So this is the set of all natural numbers. This is also the set of all natural numbers. So these two sets are defined here. F is a mapping from n to n. So what are natural numbers? Natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. F of n is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 when n is odd. So first of all, n plus 1 upon 2 when n is odd. Okay, what is f of n? F of n mean to say image of n. So if we take this one odd number, 1 plus 1 upon 2, this becomes 2 upon 2, this is equal to 1. So image of 1 is 1. Next time n is odd, second odd number is 3. 3 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 2, this is equal to 2. For second odd number we have this image 2. So third time we take the third odd number, this is 5. 5 is the next odd number after 1, this is 3. After 3, this is 5. 5 plus 1 upon 2, 6 upon 2, this is equal to 3. So for 5, the image of 5 is 3. So this way we have the mapping. Likewise, n is odd here, n by 2 when n is even, n is even. So what we do here now, we take first even number is 2, 2 upon 2 is equal to 1, so image of 2 is also 1. Second time, second even number is 4, 4 upon 2, this is also equal to 2, so image of 4 is 2. Likewise, we can proceed further. So what is the conclusion now? Here what we say, number 1, for 1 function, image of 1, f of 1 is equal to image of 2. Image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is also 1, but 1 is not equal to 2, but 1 is not equal to 1. So this mapping, this function f is not 1 function, not 1 function. Okay, now what about onto function? What we can say about onto function? If we write all the natural numbers after 5 also, and if we proceed here taking an odd, then we shall proceed, there is no limit, and every time we shall find any image. Each set of first element will have the image. Similarly, for every element, y which belongs to y, that is, here for every y which belongs to this set n, there exists x which belongs to capital X, that is x which belongs to, this is the x, this is the n, for such that what we say, f of x is equal to y. So function is onto function, because we can find x for every y, so this function is onto. So what we have proved, that function is not 1 but this is onto. So this function is called not bijective. If this would 1 as well as onto, then we could say the function is bijective. So this time what we are saying, the function is not bijective. Question number 10 of NCERT textbook, we have, let A is the function from set of all real numbers except 3. So what is A? A is the function where all real numbers are given, but 3 is not the part. Except 3, all real numbers. Similarly, B is the function. This is also all the set of all real numbers except 1. Mean to say 1 is not the part. Consider the function f from a to b defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Is f 1? So first of all, for 1, number 1, for 1 function, what we say, let x1 comma x2 both belongs to set A. So f of x1, suppose this is not equal to f of x2, So here in the function, given function, we put x1 minus 2 upon x1 minus 3 is not equal to, now put x is equal to x2. x2 minus 2 upon x2 minus 3. Suppose this is not equal. So what we do now, we cross multiply. x1 is multiplied with x1 into x2 minus 3 into x1, 3 into x1, thereafter minus 2 into x2 minus minus plus 3 into 2 equal to 6. Next time not equal to sign, x1 into x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 6. So this way what we do now, here x1 x2 cancelled, 6 cancelled. So what we are left with, here we have taken the elements x1 here, minus 3x1, this will come here, this will become plus 2x1, not equal to sign is there. In right hand side this is minus 3x2, this will go to the right side, minus 2x2 will become plus 2x2. So what we say here now, minus 3x1 plus 2x1 minus x1 is not equal to minus 3x2 plus 2x2 minus x2. So conclusion is x1 is not equal to x2. So we have proved the condition for 1 function. That is, what the condition is, condition for 1 function is, for every x1 comma x2 belonging to set A, if f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, implies x1 is also not equal to x2. So function is 1 function. 1 function, yes, the function is 1 function. Now let us try to find whether this function is onto function or not. So second part is about onto function. Here what we say, we take for every element y which belongs to second set, B set. Okay, so what we say now, there exists, but this is the definition of the onto function, there exists x which belongs to first set, this is A, such that I am just writing the definition of onto function, y is equal to f of x. Okay, now let us check whether this is true or not. So first of all, y is equal to f of x. What is f of x? This is x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Like 1 function, here also what we do, here also we cross multiply, we solve this. This will become x into y minus 3 into y is equal to 1 into x minus 2. So now what we are going to do, we shall find the value of x. There exists x. So taking terms with x comma y, this x will go to the left side, minus x is equal to, this is minus 2, minus 3y will go to right side, will become plus 3y. Okay, so this way we take here now x common, we are left with y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 3y. So this way what is x? X is equal to minus 2 plus 3y upon y minus 1. So the condition is satisfied. What is the condition? For every y which belongs to set B, there exists x which belongs to set A. So we have started with y and we have got the value of x in terms of y. So this way what we can say, the function is onto function. Yes, this function is onto function. Yes, the function is onto function. Okay, so this way, what was the question? Our question is f 1 1 and onto? Yes, f is 1 1 and onto function.